I just had a run-in with an anti-white crackhead. This waste of space that you see here was on the other side of the train tracks, marching around the platform, yelling anti-white comments and intimidating a pair of white Silicon Valley cucks, which raised my ire and triggered me to yell, "Shut the f*** up!" at the smelly crackhead shite piece, which compelled him to cross underneath the train tracks and come all the way over to the side at which I was stood to attempt an intimidation move. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what happened after I started recording. Here he comes. Piece of shit. Dirty little crackhead. This little crackhead's going around threatening people, making anti-white comments. I screamed at him to shut the fuck up. Then he came over here and tried to intimidate me, and as you can see, it's a fail. You crackhead. Alright, we're out here going along the train tracks, covering up dirty, disgusting gangster graffiti, because I'm at war with these What is this? That's a dead red-tailed hawk, 100%. Yep, that's a beautiful red-tailed hawk. See, I'm right on the train tracks here. These are recently electrified. If a bird's wings are long enough, it can touch two parts of this at the same time, and it can absolutely lead to electrocution. He was electrocuted. He was electrocuted. 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 He was electrocuted. Right. Let's go find some more filthy gang graffiti. Got that filth cleaned up so nobody else has to look at it. Scumbags.